climate change? Hello, Tracy. Alam mo ba kung ano ang climate change? Halika at hayaan mo na samahan kita tungo sa pagbabago ng sistema.
Ang climate change ay isang long-term shift sa temperatures and weather patterns ng mundo, where the main greenhouse gases are causing climate change, kasama na rin ang carbon dioxide at methane. Greenhouse gases emissions, generating power, manufacturing goods, fossil fuels, carbon dioxide emissions, food waste, cutting down forests. These are some of the things that ruins our greenhouse gases that cause climate change. What are you willing to do for a change? Piliin ang sustainable development. Handa ka na ba sa pagbabago?
Handa na ako para sa pagbabago.